The truth about keto diet, pros and cons. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been making waves in the world of diet and nutrition, the ketogenic diet. In this video, we'll uncover the truth about the keto diet, discussing its pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. Pros of the keto diet. First, let's explore the pros of the keto diet. Weight loss. One of the most touted benefits of the keto diet is rapid weight loss. When you drastically reduce your carb intake, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel. This can lead to significant initial weight loss. Appetite control. Keto can help with appetite control. Many people report reduced hunger and fewer cravings, which can make it easier to stick to your diet. The ketogenic diet has shown promise in managing certain medical conditions like epilepsy and type 2 diabetes. Some research suggests it may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce seizures. Another potential benefit is improved mental clarity and focus. Some individuals on the keto diet report enhanced cognitive function. You'll find countless success stories from people who have achieved their weight loss goals with keto. It can be a game changer for many. Cons of the keto diet. Now, let's discuss the cons of the keto diet. When starting the keto diet, many people experience what's known as the keto flu. This includes symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and nausea as your body adapts to ketosis. Nutritional deficiencies. Keto can lead to potential deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium and potassium, due to limited food choices. The keto diet can be challenging to maintain long-term. It's restrictive and may not fit everyone's lifestyle. You'll need to say goodbye to many carbohydrate-rich foods, which can make dining out and social situations challenging. Social and practical challenges. Eating keto can be tough in social settings, and it may require extra planning and preparation. From a scientific perspective, it's important to note that individual results may vary. While some people thrive on keto, others may not see the same benefits. As with any diet, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. WHO should and shouldn't try keto. So, who should and shouldn't try keto? It's essential to consider your unique health goals and circumstances. If you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications, consult your doctor before starting any diet, especially a highly restrictive one like keto. In conclusion, the keto diet has its pros and cons. It can be an effective tool for weight loss and may offer health benefits for some. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it may not be suitable for everyone. The key is to make an informed decision based on your individual needs and consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content on health and nutrition. And remember, the truth about any diet is that it should promote your well-being and happiness. Until next time, stay healthy.